So now what we're going to be attempting to do is attach one of these panels onto these contacts. So these panels do have a sticky substance on the back of them. So basically what we're going to do is try to line these up to those pins the best we possibly can. It's going to stick on there temporarily. If you do mess up with that very first stick, very carefully unstick it and do it over. There we go, it's temporarily stuck on those pads, aligned as best as I can get it for the moment. One is in between these little bars. You can see green through it. As you can see in the picture, it's the darker areas. As long as you can see that dark through it, you're good. So that means this is sitting right on top of those soldered pads. If you couldn't see that, well, then that'd be a problem. So now we're gonna give it a whirl at soldering it together.